The iconic Akubra hat is built to last, and with a little TLC, you can keep yours looking as good as new for years to come. First, you'll need a few items: the Akubra hat brush, low-grade sandpaper, and for the more stubborn stains, a scourer. To remove dust and dirt, you should start by using the soft bristle brush. Don't forget to brush the underside of the brim too. Always brush in a counterclockwise direction. This follows the natural nap of the felt and keeps it smooth. For small stains or marks, use a low-grade sandpaper in circular motions to remove the top layer of the felt. Don't worry about your hat thinning out. Akubras are made with so many layers of fur. For really stubborn stains, use a scouring pad and then follow with the brush to remove the excess fur. And that's how you clean your Akubra, ready for its next adventure.